brand rules. What is that topic? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Does
Amit
brand
bhai.
really matter?
Yes, okay. Do brands really matter?
Okay, brand really matter? Okay, okay,
Yes.
fine. So it matters sometimes, Actually, see, it depends, right? First of all, suppose if the any whether it's a home appliance or it is a cloth or okay. So now these days, every company will have their the own way of quality. Now I have seen the couple of the example also. So first example, see, I had bought the Woodland shoe in 2000 2014, I guess. Okay, 2014. Okay, and that time, I had a chance to buy the another shoes also. Actually, what happened, at the time of the marriage? Okay, I had to buy the formal shoes as well as the Woodland shoe. But because of that money, okay, so I had compromised it, and i I had bought the Woodland shoes instead of buying that the formal shoes. And what are the formal shoes which required for the marriage, right? So that it was only the 350 rupees. Okay, because I know that I will wear that only the one or two or something, only for two days or something. But when I bought the Woodland shoes, okay, it lasted almost 5 years. So see, if it is a brand, so it will give you the lasting quality. Okay, that quality, right? Means the durability. So considering, suppose now if you go to buy a branded thing, so it will give you a good quality, comfortable, and also the durability. As already I have an example. Now I have another example. The T-shirt I just now the put on, it is a Splunk T-shirt, and the same T-shirt I guess I had bought in 2016 or somewhere, where I had to go to the that Rajasthan. Okay, so that time even I never realized that it's a branded T-shirt or something. Okay, as usual, I had bought it, and now it is a 2020. Okay, here something is written is that you can see the something, right? Okay, now my son, okay, actually before three or the means when he started to utter the ABCD, so he was the uttering this word ABCD, sweet for my game or something is there. So see, so suppose sometimes I see at the time of buying this T-shirt, I never realized that whether it's branded or not. But now I feel that the moment my son, he uttered to learn this ABCD. That time I realized that when I did this, when I bought this, so then I realized that, oh, before 4 years ago I bought this, but still it's the quality is very nice. Even how many times I have washed in the washing machine, but even though the quality of this T-shirt is very well, okay, as compared to the other T-shirt which I already bought it. So it depends, right? So now what I feel that it's, if it is a brand, so we should always consider it. Now I have the third example. Okay, at the time of buying the AC, I had a different means, if it is any the home appliance, so we will have the different companies also, like LG, Samsung, and so many, O General. Oh, okay, so see, so at the time of buying, I never realized that the suppose if it is AC, so which company's product I should buy it. But blindly on that time, I had bought that the LG AC, and after the 1 year, there was so many issues. Even at the time of purchasing, they were saying that the coil is the copper coil. But when I repaired it, that time that the service engineer, he told me that it is not a copper coil, it's a just aluminum coil. And I had to change that entire the backside of my AC, and it cost me around the 8,000 rupees. So sometimes, suppose if LG is also branded, but again you'll have to check the reviews, and before buying anything, you should know that means what the product is about, because sometimes they will, the highlight the fake things also. Now they were saying that at the time of purchase, I still remember that. I asked them whether this the coil is a copper coil or aluminum coil, because that coil is rounded with some plastics, and that time I didn't realize it. But when the moment it broke down, then I realized it was the aluminum coil. So from these three example, what I feel that the brand does it matters, because you should always buy a branded thing, and it will give you the quality, it will give you the durability, and yeah, durability and so many things, and comfortable also. If you buy the ordinary, you will not get comfortable also, and quality would be in a 3 or 4 days, or in a one to two three months, that thing will be the goes down, or something will happen with that certain thing. So I support that the brand also.
Okay,
So
so
that's it from my end.
okay, Devi bhai.
Yes, I also do support brand really matters, because we cannot deny that everything is circulated behind the brand. And why we are buying or looking into the brand? Because if we pay more or pay for the brand, right, we will get the maintenance as and when preventive maintenance required, or any brand I'm talking about. And it is a durable, as Amit bhai covered all the points. It is durable, and quality also will be there. So in and one main, see, everywhere when you're buying car and everything, the one more thing, prestige also matters, because everyone is seeing the aesthetic look of ours. Everyone will judge based on first look is important in, I would say that. So like that, brand really matter when we're other people will judging on us, or when you see that when they see what kind of brand is using, like that, then definitely it is it added for our improve our dignity and all. And one more thing I observed, that in most of the branded t-shirts, the Reebok or Adidas, they will print out with big letters Reebok. So because we are branding their products, so that's why. But still we will wear that t-shirt. But when we see that normal brand, like a non-standard brand, so it is made up with different cartoons, or any Iron Man or a different Spider-Man, that kind of. But we will not least bothered about that things, because the brand name we cannot see into that. And so in everything, like home appliances, or the electronics items, everything brand is matter, because of that stay long last, and it won't give you trouble for after purchasing of that. And if we see other, like university, everyone is getting into the quality of university. There also the brand is matter, because uh, if the in university or anything, the certificate brand is attached to that, uh, it will give value to them. So that's why everyone is buying the brand. So that's why brand really matters most.
Okay, so I don't think anybody is going to speak against the brand, because we are talking about openly about brand. But what I am thinking, yes, I am totally agree with. Yes, brand does matter, but when you are going to compare with person to person, it's also differ, because here all are educated persons, so we know what with definition of brand, how brand is going to affect. Because as Amit bhai mentioned, their quality is very good compared to others. And but when you are talking about some general people who have no such idea about brand, so they also go for general product also, because in market you can find many products. Like you can take example of mobiles, and now people are buying Vivo, Realme, they are Redmi. But before that, when you are going to talk about brand, I think only 2 or 3 brands were present, as like Nokia, Samsung. But nowadays, and how a brand is stabilized? Question is that, suppose every person is buying Redmi product, means after some days Redmi can be a brand also, because their popularity level is very high. And suppose Amit bhai just launch a t-shirt, and every people is just buying that t-shirt, that is also a brand. But it doesn't matter, the brand is always good. Sometimes, as uh, Amit bhai mentioned about LG AC, LG is also a very popular brand, because we are using from our childhood and we are also seeing. But now there are many companies who just replace the LG. Okay, so it's also depend upon quality. Suppose I am going to buy a local product and their quality is very good compared to some branded item, so definitely in the near future I'm going to buy that, because totally depend upon quality and durability. If suppose I have purchased anything that is basically local, and that product is going to be long lasting, 5 years, 10 years, means I can generate my confidence on that product, and that product is going to be front for me also. So it's totally depend upon person, how much they are capable, because there is a myth also, branded item is always costlier than to general product, but I don't think, only little bit difference. Hello,
Yeah, you can proceed, no
no,
problem.
Neha, you can continue actually.
Yes, Pradeep, hi. Can you
Yes,
hear me?
Pradeep sir.
Amit bhai,
Hello.
just wait. Amit bhai, just wait. Neha is speaking. Yes, Neha, please continue.
Okay, I think okay, I think brands matter, and yes, yes, I'm speaking, and yes, brand matters because due because this they got the believe, it is the belief of the person, and it's a matter of trust that we also, there's a mentality of a people nowadays that if you are wearing a branded t-shirt, this person it will be long lasting, and there will be no doubt in the quality, and apart from this, and it has also become a status sign that if a person has wear a branded t-shirt or branded clothes, the status of that person is comparatively is much as compared to the other person who has wear the local things, local clothes. So this is in the case of clothes, like we people just consider it as a status symbol. So I have also seen that in some of the places people are that much in that are following this brand system, the way that people are just going to make the clone of these kind of things, like they just do the they just picked up the normal clothes, and they have saying that okay, this is the tag, or this is the logo of this particular cloth, we can just rebrand it, and nobody will get to know that this is the real one or uh, original one or first copy. You might have heard about the first copy. Most of the people are behind for they are ready to purchase the first copy of that brand on the price of that branded clothes also. So people are that much behind, that much after this clothing, and they are mad for such kind of things. So this was the thing that people do, and apart from these clothes and all sort of things, I want to take the example of EIS appliances. If we have branded appliances, so there are a number of appliances, they are coming from, they are in the market from the 25 years. So they have built our trust. I'm just going to take a simple example, maybe might you all have heard about it, that if someone will ask me that I'll take just a simple appliance that we use in our day-to-day life, and if someone will ask me that which juicer I want to purchase, so each of us will say that Sujata. So it has made that much reputation in the society that if someone asks you, yeah, this one, because all the shopkeepers who sell juices, they're also using the same brand. So brand sometimes they have built the trust of the people, and sometimes they just people come into the market with their brand so that they can compare it, but they do not follow that much quality, they do not put that much quality in that brand. So it's good, sometimes brand is good, and but not every time we are getting the original products, because there is a very much what do we see that when we have some gadbad, like the people do bluff, so such kind of thing is there in the market regarding these brands. So this was from my side.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, yes, Amit bhai, you can
Yes.
speak.
Yeah, hear me? Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
Yes, yes.
yeah, we
All
can hear
guys?
you.
Yeah, I think some network issue. That's why disconnection problem and learning season is going on in Bhopal. So that's why for the brand, what you have to hear is very few point. Amit bhai have to say and some point also for listening of the name. So I think for the brand, we know the starting of their with 90s to 2000, then Nokia is very famous. That time the company have the brand value, but and their cell phone I've purchased that time that they very costlier phone you can say Nokia 300 and something, 550 something there. But the presently they come into before 2 or 3 years into the they joined with Microsoft, and after that they had the window phone. But the window phone have not to be so uh, good. You can say they hang and what so and so apparently they have come into the no doubt, but slowly have global market reaches, and you can say also seen the newspaper that totally Bharosemand company is there, the Samsung, and Apple is also there, and for the Apple and the MacBook, both MacBook have had the computer concern, and Apple have their different cell phone. But main brand we can concern that the Realme and the Chinese company and the joint venture like the Oppo, Vivo, and whatsoever. So, but in the Samsung and other like the Apple, sometimes I also seen in the news that they have to blast the phone, and sometimes they are few defective product in the every. So they are maybe the branded value at that time is decreasing due to this for the blasting and defective product, and maybe company have the losses for this. So I think maybe so brand value is a matter, but I think for this situation, we cannot purchase the same type of brand because due to finance, due to because labor people not cannot to buy the upper level like the Samsung have the highest level for 30,000 or 40,000. What their salary according to us. So and Apple, so it's a richest man like 2 or 3 lakhs per annum and per month. They can easily can purchase or the from the EMI. So it's depend upon the finance. They can purchase their brand or the local brand. So that's it from my side. Hello.
Yes, yes, Amit bhai. Now we have Sekhar bhai and Dhruv bhai. So Sekhar bhai, you can proceed. Then Dhruv bhai will conclude all the point.
Yes. So hello everyone. So brand. So first of all, what is brand? So brand is the symbols that company uses to identify their products, or to better to say that distinguish their product from other companies. So our topic is whether brand is important or not. Look, we have to, according to me, we have to distinguish this part in two. Like if you're taking some stuffs which are of daily use and you are still going for brand and dying for brand, then it's just a showcase. You just want to show that you have a status in your society, and something blah blah that you all people are understand. But on the other hand, if you talk about some appliances, like some expensive items if you purchase, so whether you don't have money or not, you still want in your heart that uh, if the branded items we might have get, then it would be good for them because of their durability and because of their after sales services and other stuffs. But what Amit brother has said, that the case of LG, then I can say that if you take any of the product of the LG, it will give you the same problem at least for 1 to 2 years at least, because I have faced the same issue. Look, what has happened that we are running when we runs for brand, then we have to understand that what they do to making their products. Even if you take about the company that making a car, or the company that making a cloth. If a company is making a car, he is not producing all of the components by his own self, by the company by their own self. What they are doing, they are outsourcing the stuff, and they are purchasing the things. And most of the times, more than 50% of the components are assembled in their factory. Okay, and if you talk about the local, if you talk about the daily stuff like clothing and other stuff, then you will find that they even do not make them by themselves. What they do, they will hire the some of the people, even from the very poor villages, so that they can get the labor get the labor at very low cost. And the their manufacturing, or after their making, what they do, that they mm, they use their logo, because actually what we are doing is paying for their brand, therefore their logo, their symbol. If you like if you take the if you take the example of any jeans or t-shirt, something like that, you will find that it's the simple t-shirt like this, like I'm wearing, it will be there of 2000, 3000. But you will really don't found not found such qualities to give 3000 or 4000 for the t-shirt. But still people are buying. Why? Because they are paying for the brand, not for the product, not just for the for the product. So whether brand is important or not, you one have to distinguish that what the purpose for what they are purchasing the stuff. Like if I am purchasing the t-shirt, there is no thing like it should be of this brand or that brand or that brand. But at the same time, if I will go in the market to purchase a laptop, or purchase a AC or a car, I will surely go for a brand. Even if I don't have that much money, I will arrange the money. I will go for EMI and other things. But what is the real and the big problem, according to me, is the unending consumerism, that giving cutthroat competition, or that giving burning fire in the people to get the branded stuff. Even if you are purchasing the sleepers, or even the blanket, that I guess I saw the advertisement that you can take the blanket from Italy. What's the need of taking the blanket from the Italy? Just the showcase. You can take the very best blanket from the Kashmir. So what's the problem is the problem of brand is the people mindset, the showcase stuff, and the status symbol that they want to produce and that they want to showcase. And what is happening is that the poor people who cannot afford these things are dying. And even the guardian of the guardians of the poor family can easily understand that. But the children who or the adolescents or the younger generation, what is saying that, look, what their friend have iPhone, and we are using some Chinese phone. They are not understanding that this whole drama or whole market is what to say is, whole market is created just to use your mind, or it is term in the economics, it's called behavioral economics, where what is happening that the company, the producers are are affecting your mindset, that you think that the local the local stuffs are not good, only side of the foreign stuffs are good. So this is the big problem with brand. And so, and I'm also not totally against the brand, and I'm not totally for the brand. I choose the middle path.
Okay,
Thanks.
so Dhruv bhai, now this is your turn. Please try to conclude all the points including. Okay.
All right. So the last point that Mr. Shekhar Bhai has made, just for sake of show off and all those things, I'm not agree with this. I mean, definitely it is true, and we don't need to care about other people, what they wear and what they wanted to purchase, and it is the control is only ours. So we have to create such kind of mindset. I will talk it later. So from starting, I want to talk definitely. I think quality of brand that matters, not any brand. Just because brand it varies time to time. Just take an example of the simple example of Airtel Voda Idea. Idea just before 4 and 5 years, it was a great brand. Even it was never possible to just use 1 GB of Idea. It was so costly. After coming existence into Geo, what will happen? All the value of the brand Idea Geo, they have just totally are now in an earth. So I think in coming days, when someone is giving you some better options, so it depends. That's why the brand prices that we have right now, it definitely depends in coming days. Also in cell phone industries, electronic industries, every single places. So definitely the quality, and I will also not deny the fact that quality definitely matters if we are going for brand. When it comes about clothing, definitely even I have never purchased so many branded like Adidas, Reebok, and all those, and even the simple reason is I belong to just middle family, so I'm very happy the thing that I can purchase, I can afford. If some people can afford luxurious thing, definitely they can go even more than lakh rupees watch and the clothes that they can afford, then it is up to them. At the same time, we also have nowadays option, we can go for 1,000 rupees shoes instead of going. I'm just talking about ordinary people. I'm definitely not denying the fact brand is not good. If you will go to purchase 4,000 shoes, you will find something in that. Even if you will go to purchase some t-shirts, you will find, even a simple example, one time I have purchased just before 4 years, 600 rupees shorts, 600 rupees shorts. We can easily get around 150 rupees shorts on any market, and also a good quality of short. But I have purchased one time 600 rupees just shorts, and I have seen it works more than 4 and 5 years as it is. So even I have realized the quality that brands provide you, definitely, no doubt. But just because we are more people who belong to a middle class family who can't afford all the time, I mean, some few people can afford, but not all the things. That if we have to purchase pants, jeans, and also watch, and at the same time laptop, mobile phone. So this is how we will only create pressure on our parents. They will allow you, even they will give you money, but this is how we are creating pressure on that. And also we are so populated, country. So definitely in at least one home, and an average we have more than 2 people. So it matters all the things. So when it comes about branding, definitely we can go, but you need to understand your requirement. We don't need to influence easily by other people. And the word that we have used again and again is status. What do you think? A person who has money, he has purchased a 1 lakh rupees just watch. What kind of status he is getting? I mean, we are just creating our own mindset that what kind of, no, nothing is status. That's why we have given so much status to IS people, IPS people, and leaders. That's why they don't care about you. Even they don't have time to talk to you, still they are servants, They are our servants, but I mean, not our servants, they are servant of a whole country. But we have given status so much to them. That's why this is a problem with his status. Sometimes we just easily get influenced by with our friend that, oh, he's wearing Apple Watch, he has Apple phone, and what will impact it? It definitely, you are a kid and you are a unmature person. That's why it won't get affect you, but it will affect your family. You will go your home, and just because just sake of show off, what you will do? You will try to purchase at any cost. If you are going to purchase at your own risk, at your own money, then nothing is best than that. This will create accountability and responsibility. But just only just sake for show your friend, oh, I have just Apple phone. It happens most of the time with college student, even nowadays with school student. So when it comes about status, we don't need to care about status. If you have need, firstly, if you have need, go for brand, and it depends for which product are you going. Like I think some people have also given the example, if we are going for cloth, we can purchase the intermediate cloth that will also work for you. That is also awesome. And when it comes about some mobile phone and some laptop, then definitely we can also consider some good things. So I can work with that. Not we can show to our friend, I have MacBook Pro, and what kind of work are you doing? You are only watching a YouTube videos, memes of other people, and you have purchased that Apple laptop, and you are showing your friend, oh, I have Apple laptop. So what is the use of that? Definitely, if you are a good video editor, if you are a coder, programmer, go and purchase on your own. Then no one is going to tell you even. So the thing that I want to say, yeah, definitely brand matter a lot, and also that when it comes about Apple, it has a very good quality product, and software, everything, software, hardware, it runs more than any other mobile phone, and it has also so many securities that we can't find in another phone. But again, we need to understand our requirement and our need. Just only for sake of status, no, we don't need to go for any single brand, and it's okay. It depends. Like in coming days, maybe the Apple phone will reduce the price, maybe 1,000 rupees, maybe 10,000, maybe 20,000. No one knows. So don't worry about that, and know your own requirement. And if you have more money, go for Lamborghini. But if you don't have money, you only need a simple car. Again, at the same hands, you can go for Swift. But otherwise, what will happen? Just imagine, you are working just to show your friend you only can afford Swift, but you want a very expensive car, so you can show your society this status I have, and it happens all the time. So what we will do, then we will pick up that car on EMI, and if someone has taken EMI, they can easily relate what happened. Now we are more rely on our job, on the work we are doing. Now we are more pressurized instead of feeling good. It will be just a temporary, very, very temporary. That's definitely not gonna give you long lasting happiness. And even it will create you more and more stress. So only just take for your show off, and if you don't have requirement, we can go for normal product. And if we can afford, we can definitely go for branded product, according to me.
Brother, can I?
Yes. Now platform
Yeah,
is
you
yours.
can.
I have 5
Yeah,
minutes to
answer.
discuss. We can discuss.
I just want to say that, look, what you have said is totally correct, and I am totally agree with you, and I totally second you. But
Ask me question. I know
No,
you wanted
no.
to ask some question.
Yes.
Ask me
I
question
just wanted to I just want to say that I don't want to ask. I just want to say that, look, what you said, that if someone is wearing that cloth or this
Right.
cloth, or have someone that car or this car, it should not affect other. But I am saying that, and the point that you said about the status. So I am talking about what you said is totally correct. But look, 99%, maybe it's that more than 90% people is going to be affected by a person who is
You
wearing
are
a
in that
watch,
99%, I
having
think.
having a brand of Rado. Okay, 90% of the 90% plus person will be affected by a person having a car naming brand Jaguar or Lamborghini or any other. So what I am saying, that what is happening is that this brand is making people unnecessary. What branding is doing is that brand is putting unnecessary pressure on the people, and they are not assessing what's their requirement, and what they are assessing that how it looks in the society. And most of the time, and with many of the people, it is happening. So I just want to say this point, and so because due to this, I am against the brand.
Okay, Devi bhai, if you
This
want
is
to,
a statement that you made. Yeah, exactly. So,
Devi bhai,
No, so I'm not understand the Shekhar Suman stand where he is standing, because I'm confused with
I
his
stand at
thoughts,
the middle. I
because
stand at the middle
is
path. If you have if you have the requirement, like you have the if you have
no,
to
we
make
don't
the
want
wait
diplomatic answers.
wait sir
No, no,
actually,
you should be
wait
in one
sir wait
side.
sir.
there is
No sir,
nothing
there
as
is
like
no one side. There
you
is no
have to
one side.
this
Like if
side
you
or
have the
you have to
requirement
this
of
side.
coding, or you have requirement to,
No,
Now, Shekhar bhai, what is
Yeah,
it?
that's
you
it.
are not Arnab Goswami. You are not Arnab Goswami who will tell me where to stand and what to say.
No,
no,
each
no,
and every
but
time you'll come up with it depends. It depends. Means everything is
Yes, it
depends.
depends.
yeah.
Everything
Yeah.
depends
See,
upon the
again.
context in which we are talking, and in the situation we are. Like, if you have parachute, you can jump from the airplane, but you don't have the parachute, you will just sit and wait for the landing.
Yeah, it is like
no.
you're creating fantasy in your old world and thinking, oh, if you would have that, then it should be
I'm
then
not
like
creating
this.
fantasy, brother.
Then
I'm
that is the
just saying what is
probabilities.
I'm just said what I observed. Like I given the example now. Like there is a song, कोड़ी कहले पहले मैंने जगुआर दे दो फिर जितना मर्जी चाहे उतना प्यार ले लो. Then you are going for this mindset. Then it's then
No, so
that's
you're not. No,
then
see,
if you are going
conclusion.
with this mindset, then brand is bad for you. But if you are really the requirement of Jaguar, go for it, purchase it.
But it depends upon that person to person, right? You cannot blame to others. Suppose, see, if you are not concerned with that particular thing, then you should keep such a thing with you also. You should not miss. You don't have any right to point out any other things. Okay, but let me add
And
one the example over here. See, when I
yeah,
was in the Delhi, okay, so everyone, I guess you are all from the north, and you know how the winter is this. If it is a Delhi, okay, so actually, what happened? I was totally new in Delhi before
Amit bhai, we
5
have
years
only
back,
45 seconds. Please try to
and
in
when
45 seconds.
to conclude.
how 45 seconds, okay, then I guess that example will not help for here. Then. Okay, leave it
Okay.
there.
Okay,
Because
tomorrow
so okay, only 45. Mhm.
now 30 seconds.
So
Yeah,
the time is running out, sir.
okay, no problem. Then tomorrow we'll
27.
continue it here.
20.
Okay,
Tomorrow we'll
so
continue.
tomorrow we will meet again with new topics. So thank you guys. Okay, thank you.
Uh,
Thanks.
yeah, thank you.
Thanks to all of
Thank
you.
you all
Yeah.
for
Bye
joining.
bye.
Good night. Bye bye.
Thank
Good
you
night.
all.